Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this ooey gooey mac and cheese cake. So let's get to it. To make the sauce, I'm starting with some white candy melts that I melted in the microwave a bit too long. Be careful with that. Then I add water slowly, 1 capful at a time, to the candy melts just until I get the consistency of cheese. Take your time with this. If you add too much water, it'll be too runny. If you don't add enough, the chocolate will seize up. This is perfect. Now to get the cheesy color, I mixed a couple of different colors. I started with orange, which you can see here. It didn't quite look right, so I added a bit of lemon yellow to it. And then it actually started to look like cheese. But I needed to dull it down a bit because it was too bright, so I added a bit of blue, just a teeny bit of blue, and mixed it up. And you can see the blue kind of dulls that bright yellow and makes it look more realistic. It's time to plate this baby up. I baked a 6-inch round cake for this, but it was a little bit too big for my plate, so I kind of cut it down to about a 5-inch and round at the top. I didn't need an edge for this. It's a mac and cheese cake. So I pour a bit of my sauce onto the cake just in case some of the macaroni, like if it's some space between the macaroni, it won't look odd. It'll blend in. So I dyed some modeling chocolate. Well, actually it's a 50-50 mix of modeling chocolate, half modeling chocolate, half fondant, and I dyed it the color of my candy melt, and I'm just rolling sausage shapes, or I call them little snakies. Honestly, I rolled too many, but I'd rather have too many than not enough. So once you get the snakies all rolled out, you're just gonna form C shapes. That's gonna be your macaroni. Make sure you get a clean cut and just cut them all. Once that's done, I brought in my sugar shaper to actually make this C-shaped sausage look like macaroni. So you're just gonna poke a hole or indentation in the noodle, and now it looks like a little macaroni noodle. See? Yeah, then you do that about 462 more times. Now it's time to put the macaroni on the cake. I tried to arrange them strategically at first, and then it just was like, hey, throw the macaroni on there. It's going to get covered up with cheese sauce anyway. The goal though was just to make sure it was an even layer of macaroni all the way around. And then I'm gonna bring in my pastry brush and my cheesy sauce and just brush it over the macaroni. It looks so good already. So do you guys love baked macaroni or stovetop macaroni? Let's have a discussion. I'm a personal fan of baked macaroni, but we can debate about that in the comment section. I'm gonna clean up my plate a little bit before I bring in the torch. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a baked macaroni plate, a plate of baked macaroni. So we've got to make it look toasty and cheesy. And trust me, by toasting this modeling chocolate candy melt combo, it is going to make it taste even better. There you have it, an ooey gooey plate of macaroni and cheese cake. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Bye.